gotta go to Happy Camper right now. We'll be there by 5. We prep the liner, get everything ready. We have to get that liner in there by 6 p.m. From there, we're gonna do the pipers while it's curing. Hopefully we're done and out of there by 9 o'clock if everything goes smoothly, or maybe sooner. But we'll keep you guys updated. You guys want to drink? Joshua, what did I say? What did I say?
I'm gonna get some chips and some candy.
What did I say? We are on a time frame. That's why I told him to be here at 4 o'clock, not 4:22. Barely putting gas in the hopper. We gotta be in LA. Jetted the line out right now. There's a lot of buildup and solidified grease in the pipe. We want to make sure before we line the pipe, the line is fully clean, ready for the epoxy to seal all the cracks and offsets in the pipe. All that needs to get jetted out. Go ahead and push it in. So we did one pass right now. We're gonna have to do another pass with the jetter. Alright guys, so we just shut the liner. The cure time should be about an hour and 30 minutes. We did extreme cold resin while we're waiting for the liner to dry at 18 psi right now. I have my guys inside right now. From point A to point B, we're gonna pull 40 feet. Just try to tunnel underneath and we'll work around it. You don't need a 90, just 45. Okay. Putting the cable all the way to the end right now. Attach the polyethylene pipe, and we're gonna go in and have the hydraulic machine pull it. Permaliner, pipe bursting, boring, robotic cutouts with a Dan cutter. Here guys, we're not gonna go ahead and connect and do the fittings and everything to help them out with subcontract work. We show up unmarked, we represent you guys. So whatever you guys need, if it's late nights, early mornings, maybe another 2 hours here, we should have the liner in, pipe bursting. We'll keep you guys updated. Polyethylene pipe is going in right now. This is a seamless pipe. The seam itself is stronger than the pipe itself, so you do it once, do it right, and you never worry about it again. Beautiful. See, the light is right there, perfect. It's right on the bottom of it. So it's perfect right there. That's right at the edge where it has to be. Perfect.